Chapter 5 Multiplication Learning Objectives. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to apply properties of multiplication, know how to multiply numbers with more than 2 digits and different numbers of digits, frame story sums based on multiplication. Warm up. I have 5 boxes. If I put 25 apples in each box, how many apples do I have? In class 3rd, we have learned the multiplication of a given number by a number consisting up to 2 digits. Now, we will expand that multiplication of a given number by a number consisting up to 3 digits. The number to be multiplied is called multiplicand. The number by which we multiply is called multiplier. The result obtained after the multiplication is called product. Let us first learn some of the properties of multiplication. Properties of multiplication. 1. Multiplication property of 0. The product of a number by 0 is always 0. For example, 0 into 0 is equals to 0. 73 into 0 is equals to 0. 279 into 0 is equals to 0. 7642 into 0 is equals to 0. 2. Multiplication property of 1. The product of a number by 1 is the number itself. For example, 28 into 1, 28. 173 into 1, 173. 2867 into 1, 2867. 3. Ordering property of multiplication. Commutative property. The product of the two numbers does not change even if we change the order of the numbers. For example, 2 into 76 is equals to 76 into 2 is equals to 152. 28 into 42 equals to 42 into 28 is equals to 1176. 4. Grouping property of multiplication. Associative property. The product of the number does not change even if we change the groupings. For example, 2 into 5 into 8 is equals to 2 into 5 into 8. 10 into 8 is equals to 2 into 40. 80 is equals to 80. So, 2 into 5 into 8 is equals to 2 into 5 into 8. 5. Distributive property of multiplication over addition. This property is used for multiplying large numbers. According to this property, the product of a sum of 2 or more numbers and a given number is equal to the sum of the individual products of the number forming the sum and the given number. For example, 2 into 5 plus 6 is equals to 2 into 5 plus 2 into 6. 2 into 11 is equals to 10 plus 12. 22 is equals to 22. So, 2 into 5 plus 6 is equals to 2 into 5 plus 2 into 6. Teacher's note. Ask the student to multiply their birth date by the sum of their teachers and their partners' birth dates. Multiplication by 10, 100, 1000, etc. 1. To multiply a given number by 10, insert 1 0 to the right of the given number. For example, 425 into 10 is equals to 4250. 2. To multiply a given number by 100, insert 2 zeros to the right of the given number. For example, 7642 into 100 is equals to 7,64,200. 3. To multiply a given number by 1000, insert 3 zeros to the right of the given number. For example, 1784 into 1000 is equals to 17,84,000. Multiplication by 20, 30, 90. In order to multiply a number by 20, 30, 90, first multiply the number by 2, 3, 9 and then insert 1 0 to the right of the product. For example, 764 into 30, 764 into 3 into 10. 2292 into 10 is equals to 22,920. Multiplication by 200, 300, 900. In order to multiply a number by 200, 300, 900, first multiply the number by 239 and then insert 2 zeros to the right of the product. For example, 285 into 500, 285 into 5 into 100, 1425 into 100, 14,2500. Multiplication by 2000, 3000, 9000. In order to multiply a number by 2000, 3000, 9000, first multiply the number by 239 and then insert 3 zeros to the right of the product. For example, 2865 into 4000. equals to 2865 into 4 into 1000, 11,460 into 1000, 1 crore 14 lakh 60,000. Solved examples. Example 1. Use suitable grouping to find the following products. A. 4 into 16 into 25. B. 5 into 86 into 20. Solution. A. 4 into 16 into 25 equals to 4 into 25 into 16 is equals to 100 into 16 is equals to 1600. B. 5 into 86 into 20. 5 into 20 into 86. 100 into 86 is equals to 8600. Quick tip. Every multiplication has a twin, which may be easier to remember. For example, if you forget 15 into 11, you might remember 11 into 15 is equals to 165. Example 2. Find the products of the following. A. 29 into 90. B. 73 into 800. C. 285 into 6000. D. 732 into 7000. Solution. A. 29 into 90. A is equals to 29 into 9 into 10 is equals to 261 into 10 is equals to 2610. B. 73 into 800 equals to 73 into 8 into 100 is equals to 584 into 100 equals to 58,400. C. 285 into 6000. 285 into 6 into 1000 is equals to 1710 into 1000 is equals to 17 lakh 10,000. D. 732 into 7000. 732 into 7 into 1000. 5124 into 1000 it is equals to 51 lakh 24,000. Exercise 5.1. Question 1. Fill in the blanks. A. 289 into 0 is equals to 0. B. 0 into 742 is equals to 0. C. 7642 into 0 is equals to 0. D. 130 into 1 is equals to 130. E. 2865 into 1 is equals to 2865. F. 136 into 245 is equals to 245 into 136. G. 9969 into 7469 is equals to 9969 into 7469. H. 289 into 742 into 365 is equals to 289 into 742 into 365. I. 340 into 283 into 542 is equals to 340 into 283 into 542. J. 17 into 83 plus 26 is equals to 17 into 83 plus 17 into 26. K. 12 into 42 plus 53 into 12 into 42 plus 12 into 53. L. 9 into 16 plus 29 is equals to 9 into 16 plus 9 into 29. M. 429 into 10 is equals to 4290. N. 3865 into 1000 is equals to 38,65,000. 0. 295 into 1000 is equals to 2,95,000. Question 2. Use suitable grouping to find the products of the following. A. 2 into 465 into 50. Answer 46,500. B. 5 into 289 into 20. Answer 28,900. C. 4 into 125 into 386. Answer 1,93,000. D. 25 into 189 into 4. 18,900. E. 500 into 1296 into 2. Answer 1,296,000. Question 3. Find the products of the following. A. 85 into 20. Answer 1700. B. 649 into 40. Answer 25,960. C. 253 into 70. Answer 19,110. D. 322 into 800. Answer 2,57,600. E. 504 into 9,000. Answer 45,36,000. F. 2,815 into 6,000. Answer 1 crore 68,90,000. Multiplication by 3-digit number. Solved examples. Example 1. Multiply 412 by 279. Solution. 412 into 279. 412 into 9. 412 into 70. 412 into 200. 412 into 279 is equals to 11,40,000. 4,948. Another method, we have 279 is equals to 200 plus 70 plus 9. So 412 into 279 is equals to 412 into 200 plus 70 plus 9. 412 into 200 plus 412 into 70 plus 412 into 9. 82,400 plus 28,840 plus 3,708. Answer 1,14,948. Example 2. Multiply 2,467 by 124. Solution: 2,467 into 124 equals to 3,05,908. Another method, we have 124 is equals to 100 plus 20 plus 4. So 2,467 into 124 is equals to 2,467 into 100 plus 20 plus 4. 2,467 into 100 plus 2,467 into 20 plus 2,467 into 4 equals to 2,46,700 plus 49,340 plus 9,868 is equals to 3,05,908. Exercise 5.2. Question 1. Multiply A. 269 into 842. Answer: 2,26,498. B. 542 into 209. Answer: 1,13,278. C. 3,865 into 428. Answer: 16,54,220. D. 7,642 into 356. Answer: 27,20,552. E. 846 into 594. Answer: 5,02,524. F. 240 into 153. Answer: 36,720. G. 5,629 into 302. Answer: 16,99,958. H. 7,642 into 972. Answer: 74,28,024. Question 2. Find the products of the following. A. 365 by 349. Answer: 1,27,385. B. 286 by 985. Answer: 2,81,710. C. 2,764 by 128. Answer: 3,53,792. D. 9,856 by 382. Answer: 37,64,992. E. 3,642 by 165. Answer: 6,930. F. 1,729 by 315. Answer: 5,44,635. G. 5,422 by 972. Answer: 52,70,184. H. 5,708 by 708. Answer: 40,41,264. Facts to know: the oldest non-multiplication tables were used by the Babylonians about 4,000 years ago. Word problem. Example 1. There are 545 mango trees in an orchard. Each mango tree has 295 mangoes. How many mangoes are there in the orchard? Solution. Number of the mango trees 545. Number of mango on each tree 295. Total number of mangoes in orchard 545 into 295. So there are 1,60,775 mangoes in the orchard. Example 2. A man purchased a calculator costing rupees 245. What will be the cost of 2045 such calculators? Solution. Number of calculators 2045. Cost of one calculator rupees 245. Cost of 2045 calculators is equals to rupees 2045 into 245. So the cost of 2045 calculators is 5,01,025. Example 3. An iron cost of rupees 1,245. How much will 140 iron cost? Solution. Cost of an iron rupees 1,245 cost of 140 irons is equals to rupees 1245 into 140. Hence, the cost of 140 irons is 1,74,300. Framing word problems. Example 4. Frame the word problems for the following multiplication facts. A. 285 into 172 into 49,020. B. 3,892 into 246 is equals to 9,57,432. Solution. A man purchased a box of chocolate costing rupees 285. What is the cost of 172 such chocolate boxes? B. There are 3,892 balls on a packet. How many balls are there in 246 such packets? Think wisely. What is S if 6 into 4 is equals to 3 into S? Exercise 5.3. Solve the following word problems. 1. Mr. Gupta earns 9,000 rupees per month. How much will he earn in 112 months? Answer: 10 lakh 8,000. 2. A bookshelf contains 542 books. How many books will be there in 246 such bookshelves? Answer: 1,33,332. 3. The cost of a refrigerator is 7,842 rupees. What is the cost of 286 such refrigerators? Answer: 2,03,892. 4. A train carries 2869 passengers in a day. How many passengers will it carry in a year? 1,47,185. Hint: take 1 year is equals to 365 days. 5. A packet contains 3,640 marbles. How many marbles are there in 450 such packets? Answer: 1,06,38,000. 6. The cost of washing machine is 5,439 rupees. Find the cost of 124 such washing machines. Answer: 6,74,436. 7. The cost of a tablet is rupees 17,511. Find the cost of 236 such tablets. Answer: 4,13,02,596. Question 8. Frame the word problems for the following multiplication fact. A. 234 into 765 is equals to 1,79,010. B. 986 into 205 is equals to 2,02,139. Multiply the largest 4-digit number by the largest 3-digit number. Mental maths. Answer the following. A. What is the product of all the numbers in the dial of a telephone? 2. 91 into 101 into 1,321 is equals to 91 into 101 into 1,321. 3. How many minutes are there in the month of May? 4. Find the cost of 175 transistor if each transistor costs 500. Maths lab activity. Materials required. Cards with multiplication sentences written on it. Steps. 1. The teacher will write multiplication sentences on the cards. 2. One student from each pair will select one card randomly. 3. Let's say one pair has selected 48 into 36. 4. One student will solve it on the board as follows. 5. While the other student of that pair will solve it as 36 into 48 in the notebook. 6. Accuracy and speed will be taken into account to award points to each student.